What if I told you that your YouTube channel can stay monetized while your AdSense account runs into monetization issues? And when that happens, your earnings could be delayed, withheld, or in worst case scenario, your account could be disabled. So today in this video, I'm going to be highlighting some of the common mistakes creators make when it comes to their AdSense. And of course, I will also share some tips how you can avoid these mistakes. Now, let's get something clear. We have to understand that your AdSense account is just as important as your YouTube channel. Many creators believe that once they join the YouTube's partner program, automatically they are done, everything is set. But unfortunately, this is not completely true. Your YouTube account and your AdSense account work together. YouTube generates the revenue while the AdSense handles the payment. If there are any serious issues with your AdSense account, getting paid can become a big problem. This is why every creator should understand the basic AdSense policy and regulations. Mistake number 1. Never click on your own ads. Now, let me explain. Because this is one of the most common mistakes creators make without even realizing they are breaking the AdSense policies. After monetization, some creators become curious and they click on their own ads because they want to see what happens when you click on the ads. Don't do it, because Google considers this as invalid activity. The system is designed to detect unusual clicking activities on their platform. Even a few suspicious clicks can already trigger a review. So, if you want to support your own channel, keep creating great content, valuable content that people actually want to watch. Never interact with your own ads intentionally, meaning never you click on the ads that are being shown on your own video once you are monetized. This goes against the YouTube AdSense policy. So the second mistake would be you as the creator asking your subscribers or your viewers to please click on the ads on your videos and watch them. Now, a good example would be as I'm recording this video, then at some point I'm going to be telling my subscribers, please allow the ads to play, click on the ads, do this so that I can earn more. This is completely not accepted. Don't do it. All right? Because such requests directly violates the AdSense policy. Because Google also wants real advertiser engagement. So ad click must happen naturally, not forcefully, and not coercing people or forcing people to do that for you. Of course, as a creator, you can ask your viewers to like your video, to share, to add a comment, to subscribe, to join your membership, for example, but on no account should you tell them to watch the ads that are being shown on your video. This is forbidden. It's against the AdSense policy. So another point would be understanding invalid click activities. This one is broader than you clicking your own ads. This goes way deeper. Examples include artificial traffic, repeated clicks from the same person, paid click schemes. You understand, like if you are, having a group of people that you are paying for them to just go and watch a video and click on your ads. This is also against the AdSense policy. As a matter of fact, any activity that is designed to increase ad revenue unnaturally is generally not encouraged and not allowed. The Google system constantly monitors the traffic quality. If anything appears to be suspicious, that account might be subject to review. This is why buying cheap traffic can become a problem, especially for monetized channels. Now, another mistake is having multiple AdSense accounts. Some creators accidentally create more than one AdSense account. Maybe they had one many years ago and they forgot they had one, and then they went ahead and create another one. Or maybe for some reason they thought they could just have a different AdSense account for a new channel. So having more than one AdSense account is also against the AdSense policy. In most cases, Google only allows one AdSense account per individual. So meaning you can have different channels and use one AdSense account. So before creating any AdSense account, always try and find out if you already have one All right. Another thing is to make sure that all your information matches. Okay. Because during verification, if there are any mismatch in your name, address, and all that, it can pose a problem for you. So ensure your names, your address, your information, your personal details are accurate. Pending on the card you're going to use to verify your account, if you are using an ID card, if you are using any official document, make sure the name in your AdSense account matches exactly the name of that ID card or whatever document you are going to be using to verify your account. All right. If you have a middle name, make sure the middle name is there written exactly the same way, because any mismatch is equals to delay in the whole process, and it could really give you serious issue. So when it's time for verification, always review your details carefully before submitting. Don't be in a rush. Now, let's quickly talk about the payment profile problems. Many creators ignore this part until they are expecting their payout. The payment profile contains critical information that is required for your payment. Okay, so if there is any issue here, it will be difficult for the payout to take effect. So this is where you have to check for your name, your correct names, your bank information, all right, how you want to be paid, and of course, tax information. Okay, this is where you have to make sure everything is ready, filled out, submitted, whatever you need to submit, so that there will be no delay once it's time for your payout. Because wrong name, wrong bank information, or anything at all, mistakes in your tax information can pose a delay to your payment. So always make sure you are checking your payment profile regularly. In case you changed your address, in case you changed your bank account, in case there is any new update in the information that you already listed there, always go back there and update them, change it, your address, everything. If there is any changes in your address, in your name, maybe you got married, your name has changed, you go there and adjust correctly, so that when it's time for you to cash out, you will not have any delay. So getting monetized on YouTube is a huge achievement, but protecting your AdSense account is also very important, because AdSense handles your payment. So if there is any issue with your AdSense, then your YouTube monetization is just like for nothing, because without AdSense, you cannot cash out, you cannot be paid. So protect your AdSense with everything in you and avoid unnecessary mistakes. So that will be it from me today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel, and here I share tips and strategies to help small creators grow fast the right way. And I also help you avoid common mistakes I made, particularly on this channel, to, help you monetize your channel the right way. So if this sounds like something that is interesting to you, do well to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share, and let me know in the comment section if you have ever had any AdSense problems before, or if you are just in the process of setting it up. Remember all the things I mentioned in this video. Avoid invalid traffic, invalid activities, avoid encouraging people to click on your ads, and also always check your payment account, always check your AdSense account, make sure all the information there are up to date. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.